Esense Power Drive System is the ideal solution to safely move heavy products whilst reducing the risk of injury. With 3 systems to choose from, including the fixed, up and 360 models, Esense provides solutions for a long, healthy and happy career by preventing physical overload while moving equipment. The Esense Fixed has an intuitive power-assisted forwards and backwards movement capability, activated by placing both hands on the sensor handles. The Esense Up takes capabilities up a notch by also allowing the user to lift the wheel away from the floor surface, making it possible to move sideways without power assist. For full power assist control, the Esense 360 is the ideal solution, featuring both forwards and sideways directional movement. Designed for use on solid, dry and clean industrial surfaces, the system promotes healthy working not only through its drive wheels, but the whole system too. All systems come with an emergency switch, instantly deactivating power assistance when needed. The battery ensures uninterrupted driving for up to 15 kilometers with an automatic switch-off function to conserve energy after 15 minutes of inactivity. All Esense drive systems come with a charger and have water-resistant connectors and cabling, built to withstand diverse environments. Upgrade to Esense and transform heavy lifting into a healthy, hassle-free experience. Shop the range on our website today at www.billgroup.co.uk or give our friendly sales team a call at 01249 822 222.